Hey guys, it is me, Jen, and I thought I would do a drawing challenge for you guys today. I don't know why I'm going to torture myself with this, but I thought it would be fun, and this is going to be me drawing with my left hand. For comparison's sake, I drew a sketch over on the right side with my right hand. It's not the best artwork I've ever done, but it's pretty decent, I would say. And so now I'm going to try to attempt to draw with my left hand. Oh my god. Okay, let's first I'm going to try to, oh, by the way, I'm using a sketchbook, so let's try to write with my left hand first. Oh, this is going to be really bad, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay, hand. My mom is a lefty, just in case you guys, that looks horrible. Look at the difference in handwriting. Just the difference in handwriting alone. Oh my goodness. Okay. My mom is left-handed, by the way, in case you guys, I guess you guys weren't wondering. But just, I mean, little factoid. There goes my phone. I dropped it. I'm scared, you guys. I'm scared to start. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is bad. Can I have a do-over? I'm going to have a do-over. I'm going to have do-overs, you guys, because it's just the way it goes. Frag. Okay, let's see. Let's see, try to steady myself. Oh my goodness. It's so funny when you think about how much control you have with one hand versus the, oh my god. It looks like a Picasso. Wow, okay. It's so, oh my god, I can't even make like a straight line. Goodness gracious. Okay, well that looks sort of okay. Let's just the little triangle. Well, that looks pretty decent. We might be getting better. The fine motor skills in one hand versus the other is so weird. Even this hand feels like weaker as I'm trying to draw. Like, I feel like when I draw with my right hand, I'm just going to draw with my right hand, I have such like precision and control, and I can just like, I just know how to do that. And when I try to do that over here, it's just so different. Especially curvy lines. It's just weird. So, oh my goodness, this girl looks jacked up. This looks like before she went out to party, or it looks like either the before and after picture, or like she went out and this is before she went out to party and this is like the next morning. I'm nervous about the hair, you guys. Oh gosh, I'm nervous about the hair. I'm not ready to do hair yet. I'm gonna work on her body because I feel maybe a little bit more confident about that. Oh my god. Okay, she's going off the paper. Oh, that is not good. Let's try to do this again. Okay. By the way, you guys, if there's any other drawing like challenges that you guys would like to see me do, definitely don't hesitate to let me know. This was like a complete disaster. But if there's anything else that you are interested in, oh my gosh, she looks pregnant. Whoops, that is not intended to be the situation. I'm having a really hard time making this do what I want it to do. Okay, there, that looks sort of okay. It's just, if you notice, like, the lines are so different. Oh my gosh. Anybody who's an artist, if you've tried this, let me know. Because it is definitely a trip to see the difference between your hand movements. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm so nervous about the hair, you guys. That is just a disaster. Okay. Okay, we're going to do the other. Can you tell I'm scared to do the hair? Can you tell? It's going to be like such a hot mess. I mean, it kind of looks like the other picture a little bit. It doesn't look exactly like it, but you know. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, so she does like this little swoopy thing over here. And then she's got like swoopy things over here. She kind of looks very like 90s, I'm going to say. Oh my god. If you guys, I should have filmed myself drawing this. Well, you guys have seen my speed drawings. I was going to say nobody's going to believe that like I drew both of these. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. It's just so funny, like the fine motor skills. Oh my goodness. Wow. See, cuz like in this hand, like I can just it's so like easy to just draw these little baby hairs and just do all these little, it's just so weird. She looks like a hot mess. Oh, I'm sorry, honey. I didn't mean to do this to you. I didn't mean to do this. Wow. That is just scary. Okay, she's got like a little piece of hair coming this way. Like that. And then she's got another piece like kind of sashaying down the shoulder like this. Okay. So that is it, you guys. This has been me trying to draw with my left hand. Oh, goodness gracious. This was a scary situation. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And that helps out the channel so much, you guys. And it lets me know that you guys are enjoying what I'm creating. We're trying really hard to get to 1,000 subscribers. So wow, my microphone just dropped off my desk. Sorry about that, guys. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you can be part of that, that would be awesome. I upload videos every week, so hopefully you guys will be back next week. If you have any other drawing challenges that you'd like to see me try to accomplish, I would encourage you to send them to me and comment below. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope this brought a smile to your face, and I definitely encourage any of you artists out there to try it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care, guys.